Well, well, well. Your off-grid microwave is here. Makita now has a microwave. As you know, there's some higher voltage electric stuff available these days. We're talking, 40 volts, 36 volts. I believe one brand. Oh, it's on the tip of my tongue. They used to make a lot of lawn equipment. They have a 72 volt battery. These batteries are like about $350 each. The charge is like another 200 or 150, something like that. This is $1,000, but it's a cordless microwave. Real great when I can actually, view the bloody things. Here we go. Shows your batteries there, and oh, you got two different powers. So yeah, most you're looking at sort of 500, 700 or 1200 watts in your normal ones. This looks like it's got an option between 350 and 500 watts. So it won't heat quite as good as other ones, but what do you expect? It's running on a battery. Bit of a delay in this image thing. Oh, we've got a USB plug, I believe. There's your little toasty maker. That's like a high temperature plastic thing, I think, with it'll be Teflon insides. Same sort of plastic that they have on intake manifolds in some of the newer vehicles. Door open. Holy smoke, it is probably not even big enough to put one of those bloody $5 microwave meals in. It's better than nothing. If you had soil that you wanted to... I had another 4 pigeon peas and in 4 cups, and I found that I couldn't even find the seed in 3 cups, and in 1 cup I found a seed that had put roots out and then been killed by the same bloody thing that's got me multiple times, even this time using a great deal of sand and new potting mix. I got done in yet again by pre-emergence fungi, and so the one seed I found that had sprouted had also gone mouldy and rotten and been eaten by fungi. Wasn't much of it left except the skin and half the inside. So if you want to sterilise soil, whether you're doing growing mushrooms, which requires a hell of a lot of sterilisation, some people use a giant pot of boiling water. It's more energy efficient to actually just use a microwave with a generator, or however else you want to power that microwave. But this would be an option for doing small amounts of soil as well. Definitely not big. Definitely incredibly innovative. Incredible. So, yeah, I wouldn't say no to having something like this, except I already have a microwave that I don't use and a generator, of course, to run all the washing machines and whatnot. But I wouldn't be buying this, at $1,000. Plus probably another 500 by the time I get a battery or two and the charger. And then that charger will be a higher rating than what my solar system is rated at, which isn't a problem if you can charge the batteries at work or somewhere else, or you put a decent sized inverter in your car and charge the batteries as you drive to work, which is the most realistic option in my case. But the most realistic option is to go to my parents' house and charge the things. off grid power. But yeah, I just thought I'd bring this up because this really is something revolutionary. And there's so many of these little camping products that get bought out that are so great for off-grid use. They've got a coffee maker. The coffee maker is only 18 volts. And, I don't know that it does a great deal. You probably have to add hot water. But they've had a coffee maker for, oh, geez, it's more than 5 years now. I just think that's astounding. It's not unknown, though. It's not unlike something that's would happen anyway, because they'll sell these. Don't worry, they'll sell these. Tradies are the sort of people, a lot of them here have a car fridge in the back of their pickup truck. That's a common sight in this country. Everybody's getting car fridges in bloody everything these days. This will just be another one of their toys that they buy because they're earning so much money with so much disposable income, and absolutely no doubt they could just put it in as a tax write-off, and they will. These will sell. And it's if you're a tradie working on site, you're going to see one of these in the next year. Someone you know or work with will have one within the next year, and it's it's the first time I've ever seen anything like that. But it's a bloody good idea, really, especially if you sort of you're working at a place that doesn't have like a proper lunchroom and all this sort of stuff, and what are you going to do? Carry around a whole microwave with the glass blooming thingo shattering with, this will be one that's made to be a little bit rough and tumble, doesn't have any glass plate in the thing, and it's got sort of the level of heavy duty that you can put it in your pickup truck, and these will get used, especially in the earth moving business where you often don't have a lunchroom. These will definitely get used.